Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your bio in the Vivino app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on settings, and here we find bio. We can tap on this, and here we can write a few words about ourselves as a presentation, for example, and yeah, we can add our bio, and after we are done we can just tap on OK to save it, and that would be pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.